folks. I hoped it would happen. As you can see, I've run into a rainy patch. I decided that I wasn't ready to go back to the hotel, and I started driving in the direction of Cima toward where the Mojave Cross is. And that's where I'm at. As a matter of fact, I'm thinking about sitting this one out at the little parking lot for the Mojave Cross or the Teutonia Peak Trail. Wow! This is a rainstorm. This is a desert rain. Alright, I'm approaching the Mojave Cross. Oh my God, those hikers that up on Teutonia Peak. Boy, they just got soaked. This is the entrance to where you park for the Mojave Cross, where the little picnic bench is. So we'll just sit this one out here. Yep, they got a new sign up. Yeah, this is now private property. Somebody's been using the fire ring. This is a good place for an RV to park. I'm going to park right here under this juniper tree. Might not be the smartest idea in the world. If there's lightning strikes, it's going to hit that tree. What the heck? Take a chance in life. Take a chance. Oh my. I think I've been through the worst of it now. I think it's moving on. Oh yeah, this is a good rain. That's Kessler Peak over there. Oh, it's coming from this side. I better not let my window down. Oh yeah, we're getting a good rain here. You can smell it. Oh my God, and the juniper, I can smell that too. All right, I think I'll shut this down and enjoy this. I've never experienced this here at the Mojave Cross. You hear that lightning? Wow.